Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and insert a battery in Fujifilm camera. And to do this, first let's power off our camera, so make sure that the switch is off when inserting or removing a battery. Now we can look on the bottom side of our camera. There's the hatch that we need to open, so switch it to the open side and it will open just like this. Inside you can see the battery. Now what we need to do is push this yellow lock and it will remove the battery. Now we can face our camera so that the battery will fall out, and here it is. To insert it back, we'll need to align it with the spring so that the spring is on the right and it looks basically like that. Now simply push it in like this, make sure that it locks in properly, and now we can close the hatch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.